Okay, first we will review because there are so many mistakes here. That's fine. At least you guys tried. Okay. So we will make the corrections. Okay, I will make the corrections to one person. Remaining, now you understand and make the corrections in your Excel sheet. Okay. So Lakshmi sent her test cases. They looks better than others. Okay. So we will
Can
make
you
the
record
corrections.
this, Anand?
Okay.
Hello?
Vijayashree is missing and what is her name? Prasanna. Vijayashree Prasanna. Can we wait for 2 minutes or already 10 minutes over? Right. First one. Input. HMA. Just give me 1 minute. I am calling the other people because otherwise again we need to repeat. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Vijayashree. Yeah, yeah. Are you joining the session? Yeah, yeah. We are waiting for you to join. Okay. Okay. Bye. Hello. ఇప్పుడు సెషన్ మొదలవుతుంది ఓకేనా వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు అని పరిగెత్తారు మళ్ళీ పడతారు Okay, she will join in a minute. Okay. So Lakshmi, tell me, what is the mistake you did here? What is the meaning of precondition? What is the meaning of precondition?
Before, like,
Hmm?
preconditions.
What is meaning of precondition and what is meaning of postcondition?
Precondition means like before the search, that URL should be loaded.
Before the search, the URL should be loaded. Okay. Then again, why did you write the step here? You already covering that here. Open the Chrome browser
Yes.
and navigate to this one. Then you are writing
Yes.
hotels.com homepage should be loaded. This is correct step, right? Then if you are doing this, then precondition
Okay.
only. Precondition means it should be there already before doing anything.
Okay.
Right? So for example, if you are testing the login functionality, precondition you are mentioning user already have the account, valid account. That means user already registered with he has the valid credentials. So here you don't need to have any precondition. It's not mandatory for all the test cases.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, what is the test case? What is the objective of the test? Verify the URL is working. Okay. Open this one. Home page is loaded. That's it. This test case is done.
Okay.
Right? Okay. This is correct. Now verify search is working fine. Okay. Search again precondition. You don't need this one. You don't need precondition, right? No fill. Okay. Open this one. home page should be loaded. Okay. Then verify the following. Search button is clicking or not at one click. What is this step?
So when we click the search button,
Okay.
at one click it should open.
Let me open this. Okay. Now first step, open the hotels.com. I am
Yes.
following your test case. First step,
Oh,
I open the hotels.com. I got the expected result. Home page is loaded.
yes.
Fine. This is passed. So here,
Okay.
are you having the status? Passed. Now I am
Passed.
coming to the next step. Okay, verify the following. Search button is clicking or search button is clicking or not. You are talking about this one.
Yes, that one.
So what is the test case doing? Verify search icon is working, you mean, or search functionality, total search functionality. Oh, okay. You are right. You are writing the test case for this button, not the search
But
functionality.
button. Yes, that for that button.
Okay. Then your title is wrong. Your title is wrong because it is confusing, right? I thought search functionality
Yes.
created steps, right?
No, that button.
Normally, what will happen in companies? Some people will create the test cases, other people will execute the test cases. See, previously,
Okay.
6 months back, see, today we have to run the regression, right? Whoever created the test cases, they are not in the project now. They left. Now I have to execute. If the steps are not there, I don't understand anything.
What?
Understand? So if you're writing, you should not miss any step. You should write very clearly in detail. So here, if anybody looked into this title, they think that search functionality you are testing.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Understand?
So verify search button I have to write.
Verify search button. What you are verifying for the button? Tell me. You are verifying. Let me
When
put
you
this.
are
Okay, verify the following. Search button is clickable, clicking or not at one click. Search button is visible or not. Search button is highlighting or not when we keep the cursor. Okay. Okay. Search button is colored or not. Search button is round shape or not. You don't need to write this many steps, okay?
this.
Just for one button.
Okay.
Verify the search button feel, you can say. Okay,
Look
it's
and
not
feel.
working fine. That functionality is different again. Okay. So now you will write down search button should be background color is it should be red circle and black color and this icon should be there. Those things you will mention. Clickable. Search button is clickable. Should be clickable. It's not easy. Okay.
Okay.
So we don't
It is
know. We are writing the
expected
test
result.
case. We don't know.
Okay.
Should be. It's not present tense. Clickable at one click. Okay. Search button should be visible. Understand? I click
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
Search
I'll
button
change it.
should be highlighted. Okay. You understand now, right? Search button.
Yes. Is the expected result, so we need
Yeah.
to keep it as should be.
Highlighted when we keep the cursor. It's not we. When user keep the cursor on top of that mouse over. Search button is colored or not. You don't need to mention all this. Directly expect result, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Understand?
Okay.
Because the way you are writing the test case, if somebody looked into your test cases, they can guess your experience.
Okay.
Understand? By looking at your test case, they can tell you are a fresher or you are 2 years experience or 10-year experience. So it's very important because this is the only practical work you do as a manual tester. So this should be clear and properly created test cases. Okay. verify going to field. It's not fields.
Okay.
It's a lot of difference.
Yes, yes.
Your somebody who are reviewing the test cases, can you show me where are the going to fields? How many fields are there? Verify
Field. Yes, yes.
going to field is a required field. Understand?
Yes.
Precondition. You don't need precondition.
So precondition here after opening this Chrome browser,
No,
navigate to
precondition
that
means
hotel
something
store.
should be there already. But already you have created the step for that. If you have precondition, you don't need this step here. Precondition means you are already in that home page. If you mention precondition, that you are in the home page, then you don't need to perform this action here.
Okay.
See, something is already there. Precondition means it should be there. You are saying home page should be there. And home page should be there. Then again, you don't perform this step. You don't enter the URL and do this. Already you are in the home page for your precondition. Now you don't have precondition. Now you are going for this step. Understand?
Okay.
Let me tell you. Let's say you are cooking something. You want to cook something, some curry, something. So precondition you mentioned like stove is already on. Then remaining steps you will write.
Every time, yes.
Again, you won't write. Okay, use the matchbox or lighter and turn on the stove. Because precondition is already on, right? Then you will perform the other one. Understand?
Okay.
Got it? Precondition. Precondition means we are assuming that it is there already. Got it?
Okay.
Now you are not in the home page. That's the reason you are writing this step.
Okay.
Now, what is this?
Search button. That means before one.
Huh?
Before search button I have done, right?
Yeah, that is different test case. This is different test case.
So,
see here,
like when you are
doing anything with the search box, we are writing the test case for going to field is required field, right? Okay. Going to field is required field. How do you check? Don't select anything and click on the search icon. That is the action you need to do. So, verify the following by clicking on going to message. Okay. Okay. You don't need this. Only action.
So
by
I
clicking
wrote
on the
like flow wise.
going to field should be working fine. No. Right?
Okay.
To test this, how do you test manually? Come here, just click on this.
Just
That's
will
it.
click on that.
Action.
Yes. Going to.
Right? We'll say
Okay.
navigate it to the page. Don't do anything. Just click on search icon. That's the action you need to do. Now, what is the expected result? System should return. Are you there?
Yes, bro, I'm there.
Error message for going to fail. Understand?
Okay.
Don't need any of these steps.
Oh, okay.
It should be very clear. What you are testing, you want to test, it's a required field. How do you test? You open the website, just click on that icon. Then it's showing there. Now format this, format cells, alignment, wrap test. Okay. Now it will set. Clear? Second test case. Third one, verify calendar is visible. What you are trying to test here? This one again you don't need here.
Yes, precondition.
Okay. Open this side, search button working.
Yeah, this
See,
search.
this is
Two also.
We don't need any of this. So you are verifying calendar is visible. Verify the following by clicking on the calendar whether we can see the current and next month or not. By clicking on the next month, we can see the particular date. Select the check-in date. It's not calendar is visible.
Calendar visible.
No, what you are trying to do. So you can write verify that user can select checked in, checked out dates from the calendar control.
That's
Right?
it. Yes.
User can select, verify. User can select check in,
Check in, check out. Dates.
right? So this one format cells, alignment, wrap text. Understand?
Yes.
Now open this verify the following by clicking on the calendar button. No. We just need to click on.
That's it.
Click on. We want to click this one. Dates field. Click on dates field. Okay. Now
Yes.
calendar control should be open. This expected value.
Only visible. Okay.
Should be opened and displayed current comma next month.
Yeah.
I am busy, okay. Displayed current month comma
Next one.
next month. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
This
Now
all.
what is the next action? Now user will try to select the check-in date.
Check in it.
Now
Yes.
verify. Copy pasting. Now user should be able to select checkout dates. Okay, you don't need any of this. Understand? Okay.
Yeah,
Verify
it's just a
previous
one
month
step.
arrow mark is disabled. Now copy the 2 steps. You don't need precondition.
Okay.
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 Now now what you are doing? Now after doing that, user can select check-in, check-out dates. We don't need to do that action also. After calendar control is open, just we need to verify. Because by default current month will be there. This arrow mark should be disabled. Now you need verify. Okay, yeah. Previous month mark should be disabled.
Okay. This all.
Okay. Is this fine or any issue? Tell me.
Previous month arrow mark.
Verify previous month arrow mark is disabled. Okay. Is this fine, this test case, or any issues in the test case?
Calendar.
Let's say,
Previous month.
I am here now. Now my
Okay.
previous month button is not disabled. So the precondition here, after that condition is user is in the current month calendar.
Okay.
Only that time this will be
Disabled.
that is old month, already completed month.
Oh. Okay.
Understand? Previous month means
When the user is in the correct month, the previous month should be
Current
disabled.
one. Example. Understand? It will be clear now for others.
Oh, yes.
Understand now? Like that, we need to prepare the test cases one by one.
Okay, okay.
You understand? You got it, everyone. This is for everyone. Okay. Now you can correct your test cases. Okay.
Okay.
What you are testing, based on up to that point, you need to test it. You need to write the steps. Okay. Now, same thing. You see, precondition. You are all working here, working or not. Okay. Verify going to field is required. Or this is test case title. Verifying going to field is required field or not required field. That is the object of the testing. Okay. Now you need to write the steps for that. Okay. You correct all the test cases. Okay. This is the practical work. Very, very important. You need to write proper test cases. Once you are done with these 10 test cases, then you can go to the next page. Next page, a lot of test cases. Of this field, so many test cases I have explained. Okay. Okay, you can write the test case for this. Once you are done with this, now go to the next page. Here you find so many test cases. Everyone write separate test cases. Person write the test case for filters, how the filters will work, sort by functionality, then booking. There is a big flow. You select the hotel, now it will take you to the checkout, payment gateway, everything will be there. Okay, correct? Okay. Anybody missing? Prasanna, did you create the test cases? Vijayasri?
No,
Prasanna and Vijayasri, did you guys create the test cases?
no, Anand. Tomorrow I will.
No?
Tomorrow I have the office.
Yeah, this is very, very important. That's the reason
Okay,
we had
okay.
2 sessions on this. Otherwise, I can
Yeah,
skip
yeah,
this.
sure.
We don't need today's session. I can go to directly jump into the API. Okay, understand? So,
Okay,
this
okay.
is very, very important. Prepare the test cases. This is the practical work.
Sure. Oh,
Okay. So, you want to do it now? Then I
yeah.
can start API tomorrow. Otherwise, I can start the API now. See, from day one, I am telling you, right? So, the practical work is going to be this test case preparation and executing the test cases and creating the defects. Right? So, this
Yes.
is where you need to be very, very confident writing the test cases. Clear? Anyone has any questions from the previous sessions? Any questions? Okay, like that, you integrated from the color control. Okay. Verify all feature dates are enabled. For that, to verify going to field is showing related cities. Okay, verify. Okay, default time is 1 day. Okay, you need to correct all the steps. Verify.
Yes,
Default
yes,
progress.
I'll do it.
All this you need to correct.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Here we don't like this. Write like this. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone. This is for everyone. Okay. Okay. So now one guy is waiting from long time. He joined until this. Every day he pings me. I think he missed the class. The Chalapati. Let me call him. Okay. He want training from API and SQL Server, both. He already attended this one. So Lakshmi, can you correct this one? Verify. Now tell me, I will write. You open the site and tell me the steps. What you are trying to cover in this test case? Verify all feature dates are enabled. Okay. Verify all feature dates are enabled. Okay. Precondition. Now tell me all the steps. Do you need precondition? Lakshmi, are you there? She's in the mute. So she covered all previous test cases. We don't need to do that. Every test case is separate. Directly we can test. Okay. Okay, anyone can tell me the steps. Okay, you guys tell me the steps. Verify all feature dates are enabled. Okay, we need to test that. First, tell me manually. So here, all feature dates, what we need to do? We need to open the site. That is the action. Now, click on this dates. Verify this feature month date should be enabled. Okay. Now, we write one more test case. Verify old dates. Previous dates are disabled. See here, November 1st. November 1st is disabled. So now test case is verify old dates in the calendar control or disabled. That is our test case. Okay, now tell me the title. Verify old dates or
Enabled. Disabled.
Disable.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
what we need for this?
Open.
We need these two steps, right?
Yes.
We need these two steps. Click on date field. Now, verify
Old date. Disable.
old dates should be
Disabled.
disabled in calendar control. That is one test case. Now tell me future dates, all future dates
Enable.
Should be enabled.
tell me. Now, you don't want any of the steps. Okay, now verify
Future
means
dates.
Or enable.
further dates compared to today. Dates are enabled. Should be
Enable in calendar control.
enabled. That's it. Here. Okay. Just give him 1 minute. He will join. Then we will start the API. Okay. So everybody understand the test case. Now write the correct test cases. Again send it to me. Okay, Lakshmi, I am sharing this one with you, this document. I will share it in the group. Okay, remaining test cases, you create the steps and you create the new test case also for the travelers view, that room and everything, right? So this is, what is the name of this one? First.com. So there are so many people, sir. Okay. Clear? This guy join. So anyone has idea about API? What is API? Why we, oh sorry, I think still we have some more topics to cover. Defect and defect life cycle. I think already covered, but what on? Okay. What is test case? How to write the test case? You watch the video also. The link is there in the this document. Okay.
Bro, can you please explain what is test matrix, bro?
Test matrix.
Yes.
Test matrix is nothing but how many test cases you have executed total, how many are passed, how many are failed. Okay, here previously I showed you, right? Here, if you go to chart, you can see. Okay, see. This is the matrix. Matrix means nothing but numbers. Understand? So here,
Okay.
how many are passed?
753 are passed.
753.
Yeah.
753 are passed. Total 788. How many failed?
78.
18.
Oh, 18, sorry.
18. Remaining
12 block.
12. 12 block status. Okay, and one not
One.
one. So if you take sum of all this, 1 plus 12, 13, 13 plus 18, how much? 41. 41 or 31? 31.
31.
31 plus 753, how much? Plus 2. Okay, 788 minus 753. 35 total. 35 minus 18, 17 minus 12. Should be 5. Where are the 5 test cases? 4 not applicable. Plus 1.
Not done.
Understand? The sum of all this should be this one. So this is the test matrix. Understand? Test results report also same thing. Test results report. Yes, test results report. Yeah, in yesterday's interview, he asked me this one also. Anyway, that interview got cleared for him. Okay, first round is cleared for Pawan. Bro, yesterday, Anil, that interview
bro.
happened for Pawan, right? That is cleared. High
Yeah.
radius.
Oh, congrats.
You can apply for that one. Pure manual.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So test case design techniques. When you are writing the test cases, let's say we are writing the test. What are the design techniques you can use?
Boundary value analysis, equivalent
So,
partitioning.
correct, using the same link. Okay. So boundary value analysis. What is boundary value analysis? Yesterday he asked the question. What is the boundary value analysis? Let's say there is a text box, okay, which takes some age, the number. Okay. So the requirement is the age should be between 1 to 50. How do you test the test box? Tell me. How many test
0,
cases?
1, 2, and then the 50, 40, 49, 48, 50, 51.
Sorry. 0?
0, 1, 2, bro.
Okay.
And the 50, 49, 50, 51.
Okay, 49 and 50. What are the boundaries? What is the lowest boundary?
The lowest boundary is 1 and the high boundary is 50.
50. So before the 1, what is the inside the boundary? 1 to 50 valid numbers,
Yeah.
right? It will take. So that is one test case. Anywhere between 1 to 50, 45 or 40, right? Minus 1, 0. Close to that boundary, right? 0. And above boundary, upper boundary is 50, 51. Should fail. Understand? So you need to write the test cases for, you need to cover these scenarios. You need to cover these scenarios when we are writing the test cases. Why those scenarios? Negative scenarios. What is positive scenario here? 1 to 50. Right? 1 to 50. So if you go to the travelers, this room, if you are adding the children, what is the boundary? Tell me. 6. Highest boundary. Lowest 0. So need to test, are you able to add 7? Need to test. Are you able to add 7? No. You are writing the test case, you need to write. 7 should not be added here. Understand? Same way, there is a range for the child. Age limit is 0 to 17. 0 to 17, right? So if you open the drop down, you see he can choose. So 0 is not age, under 1 is there. Instead of 0, under